My Tangtang is going to eat. My Tangtang is going to eat now. Because we're going to Bantay. See? My Tangtang is going to eat. Other Tangtang is not here. The Lulu, the grandpapa. The Lulu is not here. Tatang tang tang tang. Two. Floor 5. See, other one is not here. 2 is not here. I don't know. Pag nawawala sila. Pag dumarating sila, ewan ko. Pero itong 4 ang normal na umuwi. Ay, hindi sila umalis or 5. Yung 2 umaalis sila. Kasi alam, I'm not tong-tong. Na. Ulot si dried fish si Danda. Dried fish na imas iti rice. Good morning, si my Tangtang. Busy eating. Busy eating, my Tangtang. Good morning, good morning. Hi. Hi. Ang kami dyan Bantay. Punta kami sa bundok. Sa Bantay. Wala. Ano na, Tangtang? So, bye-bye. Ayan na nga, dyan. Timang alam, mga ayot ni. Ayan na nga. Hi. So, bye-bye na. Thank you for watching.